Brining chicken is all the rage at the moment, and I understand why. Because it not only seasons the chicken, but it also changes the structure of the protein, allowing us to impart more flavours. For example, today I'm going to be adding some spices and herbs, but it also keeps the chicken super moist. Now, first up, for the brine, we need salt and water, and we're not going to add our chicken to a hot brine. So I like to just make a small amount of brine to start with, just to dissolve the salt. So I'll need 1 cup of salt, which I'll measure out straight over the pot. And we'll turn the heat on. And while that starts to warm up, we can add our spices. I love the addition of fennel and coriander. And I'm using quite a lot of it because I do want to taste it once the chicken has roasted. Some peppercorns, a few fresh bay leaves, I'm going to add 3, and some rosemary. And we'll give that a stir, and you can see it's already starting to dissolve and it smells so good. All right, so now I'm going to add the rest of this water. So in general, I say 1 cup of salt to 2 litres of water. So we'll add this cold water to the bowl. And now we'll take this brining liquid and we're going to pour it in the cold water. There we go. And automatically, because we've added the hot liquid to the cold liquid, it's at room temperature. So we can start brining straight away. So 1 whole chicken, I'm going to remove it from the pack. And then we simply place our chook into its brining bar. And now this goes in the fridge to brine. Now you can brine it as little as 1 hour, or you can keep it overnight. It's gonna be super juicy after it's roasted. And then when you're ready to roast this, just bring it out of the fridge, pat it dry, bring it to room temperature and roast it like you usually would.